Think about yourself as a factory, right? Like, what are your raw inputs? What are your raw materials? Is it audiobooks? Is it online courses? Is it trips that you take, conversations you have, notes from phone calls? Think about the incredible diversity of materials that we have access to. Okay, now that's your raw material, but what are you doing with it? Are you hoarding? Are you just accumulating for years and years and years, just piling up to the sky all this stuff? Or are you creating? What are you creating? This is what matters. What are you creating out of the information consumption that you're doing? Think about a factory. If you don't produce that final product, all the previous steps were wasted, right? Like, what is the point of gathering knowledge if it doesn't have any impact on anyone else? If it doesn't help anyone, if it doesn't cause anything new to exist in the world, there's really no point. And so I'm constantly pushing people to move beyond information hoarding, move beyond accumulation and consumption and collecting. Like, I have 500 notes. Do I really need to add one more note? Or should I switch what I'm doing and share what I already have with the world?